Hi, this is Michael, and this is my review of the BenQ reading light. This is just a great task light. I really like this a lot. It's kind of unique in many ways. First of all, it has a curved LED light bar here, and this has a very heavily weighted base, so it's not going to slide around on you. This is the range of motion. So that's how far you can turn it in each direction. And then this is the range of motion for this arm. So that's it. And then this arm also has a range of motion, which it can go all the way up and it can go to that direction right there. Now this has a chromed ring here. This is how you turn this on. This has about a 7-foot it's a woven cord, so it's very flexible and quite nice to touch as opposed to your typical hard plastic covered power cord. It does use this little wall wart here, which I'm not a big fan of. It has kind of a loose connection to that other cord, and I'm just not a big fan of that. It kind of pulls apart easily, so depending on your situation, if you've got to plug this on the wall somewhere, just simply the weight of the cord, well, it's not just going to automatically pull apart, but it wouldn't take much for it to do that. In any case, this plug is got a voltage rating of 120 to 240, 50 or 60 hertz, so this can be used internationally. And let me plug it in over here and I can show you how this light operates. It's very unique. First of all, this is just a regular incandescent light. Let me turn that on, and this is typically what I would use at my desk here if I'm working in the evening. And you can see, first of all, it's a very warm color, and it's not just a perfectly clean light because of the bulb shape. It's got some weird patterns that are displaying down there. So notice that color. Now this has a ring here. You touch this to turn this light on. And because of this arc here, it gives you a much wider range of light on your desk, which is really great. Now this knob up here, you can adjust the brightness, and you can also tap it, and you can now adjust the color of the light. So this is a very warm light right now, and to the other extreme. The other thing you can do is you can touch and hold the chrome ring here for 2 seconds, and it goes into an auto mode where it will sense the ambient light in the room and adjust itself accordingly. So that is very cool. Now this head is also on a ball joint here, so you can actually twist this around to get it positioned just like you'd like. This is not plastic. I believe this is aluminum or magnesium, one or the other, but whatever it is, it's pretty substantial. And gosh, this is just the most unique light. I love it. I just really like it for reading, but it's also great as a computer light, and you can move this around however you want. You can actually tip this straight up if you want to get some light in your room otherwise. Now notice what happens if you tip it backwards though. The weight, it's not designed to be used in this way, and the weight of it will cause it to tip. So you do have a limit to how you can position this. But you can use this to point a light against a wall if you wanted to, and I'm not sure why you'd want to do that. It's a reading light, but in any case, this is it right here. I think it's one of the coolest task lights, computer lights, reading lights that I've seen, and the fact that you can adjust the brightness and the color temperature really makes this unique. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'll answer it if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great day.